Hey there, and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of trading. Whether you're looking to start trading stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, we'll cover the basics to help you understand how trading works and how you can get started.
Trading is the act of buying and selling financial assets like stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities to make a profit. The goal is simple: buy low, sell high. But of course, the world of trading is full of ups and downs, and it's important to understand how it works before jumping in. There are different types of trading. Day trading. This is when traders buy and sell within the same day, trying to make small profits from small price changes. Here, traders hold assets for several days or weeks, aiming to profit from price swings. Long-term investing. Unlike day traders, long-term investors hold stocks for years, waiting for gradual growth in value. Each type of trading has its own strategy and time commitment. In trading, you make decisions based on analysis. You can use tools like charts, patterns, and indicators to predict market trends. Once you decide what to buy or sell, you use a broker or trading platform to place your order. You can trade stocks, forex, or even cryptocurrencies using platforms like Robinhood, Binance, or MetaTrader. It's important to remember that trading comes with risks. The market can be unpredictable, and prices can go up or down unexpectedly. That's why many traders use strategies like stop-loss orders to minimize their risk. But there's no way to fully eliminate it. So always trade responsibly and start with money you can afford to lose. Ready to get started? First, choose a trading platform, then open an account, deposit some funds, and you're good to go. Remember to start small and practice with demo accounts if you're new to trading. To wrap up, here are some quick tips for beginners. Start with a solid strategy and stick to it. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Keep learning and stay updated on market news. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading can be rewarding, but it's important to stay informed and disciplined.